Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best app to create shortcuts and tiles of any app, context, folders, settings, website for Android. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Quick Short, and the first list will say the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you will see here various options here. So at the bottom you will see here shortcuts, groups and tiles. So if you want to create a shortcuts, just click on it, and at the bottom you will see here create shortcuts option. Just click on it. Now you can create shortcuts of apps, context, files, folders, settings, activities, websites or intents, whichever you want to select. So say if you want to select an application, then you can select any application, whichever application you want to use. Say I want to create a shortcut of this Amazon application, just click on it. Now you can customize more depending upon your needs. Like if you want to hide the label, then you can hide it just by disabling it, or you can sort a label, that is the name, or you can edit the name of the app icon. You can customize the icon just by clicking here. You can set your own custom icons, everything. You can change the background also depending upon your needs. So you can check out by yourself all the options inside it. Even you can change the icon size here itself, and below you will see here try shortcut, save for later, or you can just click on this tick mark in order to create a shortcut. Click on add. Now you can see here the respective application shortcut has been created here. So similarly you can do the same thing for other options in order to create a shortcut. And now you can create a groups also by clicking on this groups, and by clicking on this create group you can create a group. And next option is a tiles. So if you want to create any applications or contacts or folders or settings or website tiles, then you can just click on it, and once again click on this create tile. You can select anything here, whichever you want to select here. So let me select this application again, and let me select one application. And now you can edit the label of the same toolkit. So let me edit it here and click on save. And then you can change the icon. You can select various icon styles here. So let me select this icon and just click on this tick mark. Click on add. Let's minimize it. Let's pull down the notification panel. So you can see here a new app tiles has been created on my notification toggle, as you can see here. So by using this application named as Quick Short, you can easily create shortcuts and tiles of any app, context, folders, settings, website for Android very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.